15 Haziran 2022. Sahilde sarhoş bir kadının etrafa rahatsızlık vermesiyle ilgili ihbar alan polis memurları olay yerine intikal etti. Unutmayın ki Amerika'da plajda alkol bulundurmak veya tüketmek yasa dışıdır. 4. derece suç kapsamına girer. Kadın çok sarhoş ve ne dediğinin farkında değildi. Uzun süre polisleri uğraştıran kadın zor anlar yaşattı.
Where's her stuff at?
Right here.
This is all hers?
Yeah.
All of it? Area for, yeah, do you have it?
Oh, no.
Is that ready?
You, listen, they're here to help you. There's a lot.
Here, please.
Do you want this water?
Probably dehydrated, might help.
Hey, Lauren.
Yeah.
Lauren. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to call EMS squad to come check you out, okay? Because I think you're dehydrated. That's why you're puking and you're pretty intox, too. So
Yeah, so drink that.
appreciate you staying with her until we got here.
Yeah.
'Cause especially with the water being
I
here.
don't. You're a sick-ass bitch. Get the away from me.
Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Apparently she fell in the water a couple times already. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yep.
Remain calm. We'll get the squad out here to check you out, okay?
Can I ask what county is this?
This is Cuyahoga County. You're at Edgewater right now. Where were your friends from? Why did your friends leave you?
What does that matter? Why does that matter? I'm curious, why does that matter?
Okay. I'm just asking, that's all. Are you okay? You look like you got some cuts. Are you okay other than that, the cuts?
Where do you see cuts?
Yeah, cuts on your hand.
Oh, because I fell earlier when I was drunk digging into the dock. What county is this?
Cuyahoga.
Canada. Can I put my feet in the water?
No, just stay right here. I don't want you to fall in. You said you fell in a couple times. I don't want you to fall in again.
Nope. But I'm going to put my feet
No,
in the
no,
water.
no. Just stay over here.
Actually, I'm going to put my feet in
Sit.
the water.
Actually, we want you to sit down for us, please.
Acı bir gerçek var. Boğularak hayatını kaybedenlerin %30 ila 70'inin kanında alkol bulunuyor.
Lauren, just sit down. We're gonna have the squad come check you out, and then we'll get you out of here, okay? We're not looking to fight with you. We're not looking to charge you.
Actually, you are.
Just looking for some cooperation. That's it, okay?
And you're calling the whole squad back up. Once again, you guys read my record and you're like, oh my god, this girl's got a couple weed charges. Let's cite her for some more shit.
We don't care about your research.
Listen. Okay.
Bullshit.
Listen.
You guys are gonna cite me
Listen.
for anything you
Lauren,
can.
listen.
No. You guys are gonna
Lauren.
cite me for anything you can.
Lauren, listen.
No,
We just need you.
and you're
We
gonna
just-
cite me as soon as you can.
If you remain calm with us, we remain calm with you, and we're not gonna and we're not gonna cite you, okay? All you got to do is sit here and wait for the squad.
But I've had cops that do just this, that treat me like shit.
Have we treated you like anything but nice?
No, you haven't. But have other people that are just like that treating me like shit? Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, but we're not those other people.
How am I supposed to know? How am I supposed to know?
You gotta have to take our word on it.
I will believe it when you see it. Let me tell you this. My grandpa, my uncle, my great uncle is the head sheriff of Lorain County.
I know.
The name?
Yeah. I know.
You know the last name?
Yeah. No, you
I
can't keep.
literally couldn't call any of my single friends or...
Amerika'da şerifin yeğeni olabilirsiniz ama bu kurallardan muaf olacağınız anlamına gelmez. En azından adaletin işlediği ülkelerde.
You don't know any of their phone numbers. You don't have your
You didn't
phone.
give me a chance. You just called the police and called up the hotline.
I asked you. You said you don't know. You lost your phone. You don't know any of their numbers. This is unfortunately the only option we have.
Option you have.
Just stay right here.
Stay right here, and then they'll come to you.
They're gonna come over to you.
Calm down. I'm putting my hair clip on my purse. Is that okay?
Just sit down. I
Is
don't
that
want you to
okay?
Sit down.
Is my hair clip on my purse okay?
Sit down, please.
So you're a bunch of assholes.
Okay. Highly intox, possibly dehydration. She fell a couple times. Her friends left her here. She's got nowhere else to go.
It's because I called it asshole.
Vomiting.
Because I called that asshole.
Gonna call out.
Because I'm highly intoxicated. I've been hydrating all night. Oh, hey, thank you guys for the $3,000 EMT ride. I just want to thank you personally. Thank you. $3,000 down the drain.
All
You're
right.
an asshole, and
Hey,
so are you.
Don't touch me. Stop. Don't do that.
You're
Go
gonna
to jail.
charge
Yes,
me
let's
another $3,000?
Turn
Don't touch
around.
this again. Don't touch down.
What happens when I walk
go.
away from the EMT?
Well, we don't chase you.
Okay, well, then I'm gonna walk away.
All right, come on.
Okay,
I just
you can check out.
squeezing my
Go.
water away from me.
Go.
Squeezing my water away from me. you. No water allowed from
go.
you, asshole.
Inside, please.
Really I don't need a $3,000 empty.
Come on.
Thank you guys. I just want to personally
Stand up.
charge you guys.
Get inside the squad, please.
I'm personally in
Get inside
debt.
the squad.
I'm in debt with everything. I want to thank you guys. Thank you.
Perfect.
$3,000. Thank you.
Get
Thank
inside
you.
the squad.
$3,000.
Get inside the squad. Get inside the squad.
No f***ing reason. Asshole.
Get inside. Get in the squad now.
It doesn't make you any less of an asshole. I'm not laying down. Also, I beat up on it like a f***ing asshole since everybody else in here wants to be a f***ing asshole.
All right.
Go
I'm gonna
ahead.
say sorry for her.
This is over here. Insane.
So if I can do one thing to start anything, it's only $300.
I don't care. It's $3,000.
It's not $3,000. It's
It's
$300.
not anything I should have to. I don't have $3,000 for a bullshit EMT ride.
Lauren.
So f*** you.
Lauren.
No, don't call my f***ing first name. We are Mr. and Mrs.
Let them
because
do
we are
what they have to
not-
do.
You're the biggest motherfucker I've ever met in my life. I don't need a f***ing EMT ride.
Can you answer the questions for them? They need
No,
to answer
I'm not
questions.
answering anything. I'm not answering anything.
Well, we're about to get off in 15 minutes.
Oh, you are? I'm so sorry. Hey, no!
I don't need an EMT ride.
Yeah.
I'm not paying $3,000.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
I am not paying $3,000 for this. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I don't need a $3,000 EMT ride. Yes, I do. I do. And I'm not paying $3,000 for this ride. Are you kidding me? $3,000 for a ride in the EMT when I don't need?
Let them check you out.
You don't have to say because you're not paying $3,000.
Lauren
You're not
said that.
paying $3,000.
Do not hit me.
You're not paying $3,000.
Or else you're going to jail.
I didn't hit you. Are you kidding me? I did not hit him.
Sit
kidding
down
me?
now.
Are you kidding me? I hit
Sit
you?
down now.
It's all on camera, okay?
Yeah, I hope it is on camera. Tell me to sit down when I hit you. I hit you, right?
Sit down.
I hit you, right? I hope it's all on camera. I'm getting off this stuff.
Okay. Yeah, you are.
Please, escort me off this stuff. No, actually
hands on
not.
back.
I'm not doing anything wrong. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I'm not doing anything wrong.
Come back over.
Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest?
Yeah, you are.
I'm cooperating. Stop grabbing me.
Take your
Get off of me. I'm not what?
Now you got to put a stall on a police officer. How about that? Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back.
Just so you know.
Don't fight me. Stop fighting.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I'm about to sue the f*** out of you, motherfucker. You
Stand
don't
up.
even know whose family
Stand up.
you don't even know whose family you're f***ing with, you motherfucker. Stand up. How am I supposed to stand up? How am I supposed to stand up? How am I supposed to stand up? You guys literally have me twisted like a pretzel. Just so you motherfuckers know, I'm not doing anything. I'm
Stand
not
up.
doing. I
Stand
can't. I can't. Are you kidding me? Please, please,
Walk. Put your legs up.
dude, you bunch of motherfuckers.
Stand up. Stand up now.
You can't let me. What the? Oh, you're hurting me.
Well, walk
You're
without.
hurting me.
Well, walk without fighting. Get up.
If you guys are gonna hurt me, I'm gonna fight you. Please record this, dude.
I got her. Let's go.
I hope you know you're about to lose your motherfucking job over this, you motherfucker.
Have a seat.
I want to know
Have a seat.
your badge number.
Have a seat.
I want to know your badge number.
Relax.
If he's
Relax.
Listen. Look at my face, you know. Can't even do it as a man. Can't even me as a man, you motherfucker. If you're gonna...
Hey, just hold it right there. Just hold it.
I'm about to hit West.
I will relax for you because you haven't put a hand on me. That's the only reason I'll relax for you, because you haven't put me on me. Please let me put my nipples on.
Ready? Yeah.
115, I'll be there in 2.
I can't be. Right now. I'm pretty quiet.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. You good?
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Sorry for making a mess of the squad.
Cool. You guys are good, man.
She would have been on her way. That's it. So we got the squad out. I'm trying to get her in, just to get taken care of. She keeps like trying to push past us. She hits us initially, and we kind of like, all right, don't do that again. Watch out, you got cart engine. Don't do that again. Got her into the squad. She started mouthing off to us again, trying to get her to sit down to get her info with the EMS, and she keeps getting up. She won't give info. So I'm like, all right, well, we'll just take her to the hospital ourselves and give her a cite for disorderly conduct while intoxicated. And then she started trying to hit me. And then she bit me when we were trying to get her handcuffs. So she claims her grandfather is the sheriff for Lorraine County, which that is last name for, so I'm sure she's telling the truth about that, but that don't catch any breaks when you start assaulting a police officer.
No.
Hey, stop hitting your head.
She's waving her head. Hey!
Get her out. Hey, just open the door.
Hey! Don't knock your head like that!
No, stop.
Stay
Stay in the car.
I don't care. Leave the door open, but please, I'm claustrophobic. I cannot handle it.
We'll roll down the windows, but
Okay, no, please leave.
We'll roll down the windows, but not doing this.
Stay here a minute. Please, this is ridiculous. Nobody's telling me what the hell is happening.
Stop. Stay in the car.
Nobody is telling me
We'll
what's
roll down the
happening.
windows for you. You're being
Please.
booked in on assault on a police officer. That's what's
What
happening right
county are you in?
now. Put your feet in.
I want to know what county we're in.
Put your feet in, please.
Call, please.
Put your
I
feet
would like
in.
my one phone call
Put your feet
from
in.
Phil Cimetti,
Upper and lower.
Lorraine County.
Put your feet in.
Do I not get my one share of everything? You guys have locked me up so illegally for no reason, and you beat me up and literally cuffed my arms for no reason. Please, give me my one phone call.
Hey, just to let you know, she's claiming her grandfather is Phil Cimetti.
Great uncle?
Or great uncle or something like that. We're going to take her down on assault on a PO. She kept pushing past me.
Yeah, I literally told him for 20 minutes to get off of me.
Yeah, I don't care.
Literally dragged me by
Lauren, put your feet in.
Do me a favor.
Put your feet in.
This way so I can adjust those cuffs.
Most of my customers told me I have assault on a police officer.
All right.
You're gonna tell me I have assault on a police officer.
Stop pulling out of handcuffs.
Why?
Stop pulling out of the handcuffs.
Okay, tell me why.
Why you're in handcuffs?
Please look at me in
Put
the
your
eyes.
hands. Give me your
Look at me in the eyes. They told me I had assault on a police officer, and then they unleashed me. Why is
They
that?
loosened the cuffs because you're complaining.
Because it hurts.
Okay, give me your hand.
I'm not assaulting anybody.
Turn.
I'm
Turn
not
for me.
assaulting
She got out of
anybody.
cuffs.
No, they let me out of my
No,
cuffs.
he
Are you
did not let you
kidding
out of
me?
cuffs. Turn.
Okay, then how did I get out?
He loosened
They loosened them. How did
I'll stand back with you. Alright, come on out.
I'm gonna be so coherent with you guys. I'm sorry.
I appreciate that.
No, it's literally him. Can you please pull my shoulders back in my shirt?
There you go. There you go. We're gonna go inside here. I'll get this one for you as well.
This is fine. I'm gonna be so coherent with you. It's him.
Alright, don't look at him.
No, he's a motherfucker.
Don't look at him then. Let's go this way.
Can you please get my bags out of the back of your trunk?
No, they're gonna go to you after you get out of here, okay?
Bu davada sanık, amcasının şerif olmasına rağmen cezadan kurtulamadı. Polis memuruna basit saldırı ve tutuklanmaya direnme suçlamalarıyla yargılanıyor. 30 güne kadar hapis ve 250 dolar para cezasıyla sonuçlanabilir. Kurallar herkes içindir. Ama sorumluluğunuzu da unutmayın.